Let's get right to that caller. Tasha from Anniston joining us tonight. Tasha, appreciate you calling in. How can we help this evening?
Okay, I was calling. I had a question about how long do you have to be married before you consider to get alimony?
Before you can get alimony? In Alabama, you have to be married for 10 years to be able to qualify for alimony.
Okay, thank you.
You're so welcome.
So, Clotilde, what's the state of common law? My understanding is that it changed recently.
It did
right?
change recently. Alabama at one point was a common law state. We are no longer a common law state. So Alabama no longer recognizes common law marriage.
Would common law marriage trigger alimony in some scenarios?
If we look at the previous law. Within the previous law, yes.
And
because with the previous law, it is considered a marriage.
Right.
Just like you stand before witnesses and a minister. If you hold yourself out, if you get property together, you file your taxes together, you're common law. And at that point, there was no time frame. If you held yourself out to be husband and wife, you're husband and wife.
And now, since the law has changed, you can take up with someone and hang out with them and come and go as you please, huh?
That's correct.
How about that?
So I'm curious, when it comes to alimony and common law before the law changed, are they grandfathered in now? So let's say that we were common law marriage.
No.
So it's done.
It's done.
Okay.
Let's say if you were common law prior to the law changing and you got a divorce.
Right.
Okay. Once you got that divorce, you cannot come back and be considered common law again. That's done. You've gone through the divorce. You are divorced. You are no longer considered husband and wife.
Okay. And
if you want to be husband and wife, you're going to stand before the minister and the witnesses.
That's good to know. Good to know.